Understanding the tire gauge in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a handy device and a common English phrase, the tire gauge. It's not just a tool. It's part of everyday language, especially if you're around vehicles. So, let's dive into what a tire gauge is and how to use this term in English. A tire gauge is a small, but essential instrument used to measure the air pressure inside a vehicle's tires. Ensuring your tires have the correct pressure is crucial for safe driving, fuel efficiency, and prolonging the life of the tires. Why is tire pressure important? Well, it affects how your vehicle handles, how much gas you use, and how quickly your tires wear down. A tire gauge helps you keep this under control. Remember, both overinflated and underinflated tires can cause problems. Using a tire gauge is simple. 1. Remove the cap from the tire's valve stem. 2. Press the tire gauge onto the stem. 3. Read the pressure and compare it to the recommended level. 4. Adjust the tire pressure if needed. 5. Replace the valve cap. The phrase, "check it with a tire gauge," can also mean to verify or evaluate something carefully. It's used metaphorically to suggest a thorough check. Thank you for joining me in exploring the tire gauge. I hope this video inflates your English skills and helps you navigate new vocabulary with ease. Safe travels on your language learning journey.